Welcome. We are going to continue our class of binomial expansion, and the question is there: when 1 minus 5x all to the power of 7 is expanded in ascending powers of x, find the coefficient of x to the power of 3, x cubed. Now, we need to get a term that is going to be like, for example, 35x or minus 35x. So what that means, by expanding, if we expand in the normal way, because the power is 7, we are going to have 8 terms. If we expand in normal way, we are going to have 8 terms. Okay? 8 terms if we expand in normal way. Among the 8 terms, we need to get a term that is going to have x to the power of 3. So, and then we reach the coefficient of that term with x is equal to x to the power of 3. Okay, so among the 8 terms, we're going to get a term with x to the power of 3, and then write down the coefficient. That means the term that is at the front of x to the power of 3. Now, to do so, what we are going to write, we write 7, and then we put here r, and then this 1 is the first term, and multiplied by minus 5x. Now we need to get the powers of them. The power of 1 will be 7, take away r. And the power of minus 5x should be r. Okay? So that when we're going to get a term, we see, for example, here, if we see here 1 to the power 7 minus r, 1 with any number as a power, 1 to the power of 0, 1 to the power of 8, 1 to the power of minus 8, 1 to the power of any number will give 1. Okay, will give 1. Now, I'm going to write this in simple form. I write it 7r, and then multiply by minus 5x, and then r over there. So, now, from here, I can write 7r minus 5 to the power of r, and x to the power r. So what we have been looking for is that this term, the power here to be 3. So we see that r is 3. If r is 3, we are going to replace there. So we write 7, 3 multiplied by minus 5 to the power of 3 multiplied by x to the power of 3. So this will give what? I take my calculator. This term, I take my Casio calculator, I press 7 shift and CR and 3. This will give 35. So this bracket here give 35. The value of this bracket here is 35. And this, the bracket, the second bracket, the value of this will give minus 125 and then x cubed. Now if I multiply, then the R, I got minus 4 3 7x minus 4 3 7 5x cubed. So the coefficient, this is the coefficient that we have been looking for. So the coefficient is minus 4 3 7 5. Okay? Thank you.